I got another idea. Okay, this is the idea. Y'all are gonna love it. Mate yourself right there. Oh, aren't you gorgeous? Okay, and you're gonna wear that hat, and you have a baby koala, so you're not alone anymore. And then we have 6 kitty cats. 2 bags of food for them. So you're not alone anymore. Auntie, aren't you cute? Look, I love it yours. And this is your baby. Okay, look. Oh, where's the face? Oh, there. That's your baby. This is real kangaroo leather. See, I'm reporting live from Australia. I started that in Corpus, that I was a reporter from Australia. Pretty inventive, huh? Okay. Now, I just wear the hat right now because I'm introducing me. And then y'all can introduce y'all when you're ready to face the music. Face the music.